it was a 3 Lagan Maaf moment when the government announced the news about the minimum support pricing. However, as far as the opposition and the market expert goes, they were in a bit of rende on the government's announcements as well.
The procurement of wheat in Rabi 21-22 and the estimated procurement of paddy in Kharif 21-22 will cover 1,208 lakh metric tons of wheat and paddy from 163 lakh farmers, and 2.37 lakh crores will be the direct payment of MSP value to their accounts. Use of Kisan drones will be promoted for crop assessment, digitization of land records, spraying of insecticides and nutrients.
Extremely disappointing, a damp squib. There seems to be absolutely nothing in this budget. It's an astonishingly disappointing budget. In fact, when you look at or listen to the speech, of which we don't yet have a written text, no mention of MNREGA, no mention of defense, no mention of any of the urgent priorities facing the public. We are facing terrible inflation and there is no tax relief for the middle class. This is a budget which seems to be pushing the mirage of Achhe Din even farther away.
इस साल का बजट है 2022 का, ये बजट सिर्फ अमीरों के लिए है, इसमें गरीबों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। और जो चीज़ पहले उन्होंने कही थी फिर इसको दोबारा रिपीट किया है।
बजट से फायदा तो कुछ न कुछ होता है, लेकिन जितना दिखाते हैं उतना नहीं होता। दिखाते जाते हैं, मिलता कम है। हमने ये कहा कि एमएसपी गारंटी कानून बना दो। एमएसपी गारंटी कानून से ये होगा कि सस्ते में फसलें की खरीद बंद होगी और उसका फायदा ये होगा कि जो सरकार कह रही है कि हम खरीद ज़्यादा करेंगे किसान की, अगर कानून हो जाएगा तो कम रेट पे खरीद नहीं होगी। इसका फायदा व्यापारियों को ज़्यादा होता है। जो बड़ा व्यापारी होता है सस्ते में खरीदता है, महंगे में एमएसपी पे बेचता है, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा होता है।
Well, we told you about the movie as well as what critics have to say, but now let's figure out what was the Janta reaction on the same, and that we can do by seeing the box office collections on day one itself. Now, for the Indian markets itself, we saw that after the budget speech, there was a slight bit of dip in the markets, but post that we saw a 300-point rally on the Nifty and it ended around that 17,576 mark. The Bank Nifty also continued the momentum up around 1.5% in trade, and the mid caps also moved and mirrored the move of the frontline indices with a gain of around 1%. It was the metals, infrastructure, realty as well as cement pack that did well in trade today, given the big bag announcement that we saw on infrastructure in rural India. On the flip side, however, it was the PSU names like IOCL, BPCL, HPCL which were coming under pressure because we did not hear as much we wanted to hear about the divestments. And apart from that, it was the other names in terms of the energy names as well as the PSU banks which were coming under a bit of pressure. So as far as the Janta reaction goes, it's a thumbs up coming in from the Indian markets because the markets ended around 250 points higher.